Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to arrange a rechargeable LED light. That is the one that used to have a battery that you can use when there is no electricity. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. This is for one styling, so let's just get right into it. This is how it's going to look like when you get it. They're going to give you something like this. This is for the stand and this is the whole kit. Now let's start with the stand. All right, the stand, I mean the tripod itself. So when you remove the stand, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, you can see. So then there are several buttons like a screw. So this first one is first or the last one controls the leg of the tripod. Okay, so the stand or the tripod, as you can see, you're going to loosen the screw, then you're going to adjust it just like you see me doing. Then once you're okay with it, then you screw it back, like you tighten it back. So this is another one here. You're going to unscrew that one too. You loosen it, you adjust it. This is actually like 5 feet. Okay, then there's another one again, which is the last one. Then you adjust it again. As you can see, it can be longer than this. Okay, I'm just trying to show you different. I'm just trying to show you how it's going to look like. So now the next thing is the main kit itself. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. Okay, this is how it comes: the light, the battery, the charger, the connector, and so on. This is the main light itself, and these two spaces where you're going to fix your battery. So you're going to open it up this way whenever you want to use it. This is how it's going to be. So then this is the battery. It comes with 2 batteries. Okay, it's rechargeable. You can use it with or without electricity. Then here is where you're going to fix it. I already made a video on how to fix a battery to a LED light. I'm going to link the video in the description box. Now this is the battery charger itself. You are going to fix the battery into it this way. It is quite easy. Then you are going to bring out this metal, which you are going to use to plug it to your socket. Now this is the charger, like more like the cable to use with electricity. So if you want to use electricity, this is the one you're going to use. As you can see, it is more like that of, it is just like a regular cable, wire and charger and all that. Okay, you're going to fix the two together and you're good to go. So this is how the mouth looks like. Okay, and this is how the other side looks like. So now we have this connector here. I call it connector, I don't know what exact name. So you're going to be putting it here, but you need to remove this black cap that you have here so that you'll be able to screw this. As you can see, there's a hole on the connector where you're going to screw to the stand, just like you see me doing. Okay, you're doing this, you need to take your time. And oh sorry, I guess I didn't screw this part very well. So you're going to screw it back like so. Okay, once it's okay like this, you keep the black cap into the nylon. Now before you fix it together, make sure you fix the battery. And as you can see, this hole, that is where you're going to fix to that edge. Okay, you just do it as if you're tightening a screw. And you see this button here is used to adjust it, just in case you want it to face down, or you want it to face up, or you just want to change the direction of the light, not the regular way. You're going to loosen it, put it in any direction of your choice, and you're going to tighten it back. All right, so once you're done with that, you want to open it up. Do not forget to do that. You open it up like so, and this is what the inside looks like. Now there are some buttons here. This one is a switch button, this other one is a dim and the color. So this is for you to reduce, increase, or decide on the kind of color you want to use. Once you turn it on, you see this 4 green light is going to turn on, and this is what we have. So as you can see, I'm increasing the lighting, I'm trying to change the color, and so on like that. You're going to be using the buttons behind it. Okay, it's already indicated there, so there will be no confusion. All right, as you can see. Now once you're done, or you are not using, or you want to use electricity, I'll suggest you remove the batteries. Okay, so I already have a video on how to fix the battery, how to remove it. I'm going to link the video in the description and up here as well. So once you're done, you want to just keep it back just for safety purpose. Close it to avoid dust and all that. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find it helpful, can you click on the like button, share this video. I didn't tighten this part very well. Share this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Anything you want me to make a tutorial on, let me know. And until we meet again in my next tutorial, bye.